Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce with another update for you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, giving these videos thumbs ups, and hitting the bell notification icon. By the way, I have a new sponsor, Sale Pack. Check the link down below here for unbelievable items you can take with you on a cruise. Really neat gadgets. Hit the TWB code. The code is TWB for an extra discount. Check it out down below. Here's the story of the day. It's about the Liberty of the Seas. Now, I did a video about this ship a month or so ago, and I got to do another one. This Sunday, the 29th of September, the ship is leaving Galveston. It's heading for Cozumel, Costa Maya. It's heading for Roatan. But there's an issue. The ship is usually leaving Galveston at 4 in the afternoon. That's not happening. It's going to leave at midnight this Sunday. 8-hour delay. Why? The cruise line has sent an email to passengers saying that they're getting some work done on the back of the ship. Divers will be down below working on the bottom of the ship. That tells me we're talking about azopod issues again. We're talking about the propulsion system here. They've either got some kind of issues with the propellers or something with the bearings, or they're getting them inspected. Something is up. And of course, the cruise line won't get to go into detail. All cruise ships have maintenance issues. That's not a new thing either. But 8 hours with divers down below in Galveston, something is going on. It could well be also that the ship might return early from her previous sailing, and in effect, that'll give them even more time down below. We'll have to see what goes on. Thanks again to SailPack for sponsoring my channel. Check out the really cool items you can get for your next cruise by hitting the link just below this video. I'll keep you posted on the Liberty of the Seas, see what's going on, do the best I can with it. Well, hopefully the ship will reach her regular cruising speed and there won't be any delays. But you never know. Azopod issues have been popping up for all kinds of cruise ships lately, and we'll just stay on top of it. This is Bruce with Traveling with Bruce saying, see you next time. Bye for now.